Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy snack using zucchini and only few ingredients. Zucchini is a very healthy vegetable, but some say it's a fruit. However, I will show you how to make zucchini fritters today. Let's see what are the ingredients we need. Grated onion, grated zucchini, grated carrot, some flour, 2 eggs, salt and pepper. First add zucchini to a bowl. Then carrot. Then onion. And now flour. And now eggs. Now the other egg. Now add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Now mix them well together. Heat some oil and pan fry the mixture like I'm showing here. Make sure they're crispy and golden brown in color. Now it's time to taste. It's crunchy and yummy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.